Episode for Ahaya GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia, latest and hot news, and Kwa Enamede, Bramo. Anuti Sawunyan subscribe ya Bomodi say over subscribe to the channel. Jobe an say over click the subscribe button, na wabele notification. We understand new video be uploaded. When the first person I will say Ebeka sa video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma Ato Forson when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso Ghana memo hanum afi yembura ye ensemo abeto yepno so abato no da so ekoso amanfo na eto abano na nsembbre pinchin police stations bi isi official ba kokra ya chiro chese ballot paper no otia no ati Bawumia side ne free until the mawa shall free the second person and no police for achiro amom de honsema betudwa na we na Kevin Taylor de se bi atudwa chese krofo bia pokwa se che hotel bia mranti bia kwhye ho omo BVD machine printer chese one print ballot papers ama police for akwache samranti na we na Kevin de Ato Forson esa tu o chese branti bia Lord Commey ene ne ye adwuma o chese branti no ewutuo ni ade egu ne kamu na Train Collation hono no baso na say wa ma asoja for tip of ni ade ono ene de some information nyina eko kabitela de ni picture ni phone ene honsem atudwa tentemara yenko KT akachi na yenkuti ensema kabitela ade tudwa ensema PP mo bato eko so police stations ensem bebrebe mu hokra problem ni ade chese ensem basa na yenkuti KT ni sema wode tudwa na yenti ni sema.
All right now we are in the Ashanti region no. There's something going on there. This guy, the owner of Rich Condos. Right now, as we speak, he has been given accreditation by Lord Commey. Rich Condos. Etuo Egunikamu. He is the one who is going to be giving them the tip-offs when the coalition starts. Polling stations to bring in the military. He is the guy the NPP are using. Lord Commey is using this guy. Afenyo the owner of Rich Condos. Meaning, ne papa is a very humble guy. But today, Onon in the Ashanti region or accreditation or say he is going to make sure they have given him direct instructions from Lord Commey or no and the tip-offs. They have given him access to accreditation. Oberia Collation Center, Oberia police stations. This is the guy who will be tipping off the military at places they should come and suppress NDC for. The owner of Rich Condos. Maybe I'll be stop him. He's not supposed to come close to any collation center. Ashanti region. Yamin and the security more Ashanti region. This guy or no any the owner of Rich Condos. This is the guy they are going to use. Or no Amaman accreditation. Lord Commey mo Aman access, Amaman accreditation. He will be driving around to be giving the military tip off. Baby Amambrano me attack NDC for this guy on the owner of Rich Condos. Nobody should allow this guy. He's carrying a gun with him in his car. He has a gun on him. Dear Oyen say he is gathering the thugs on the streets to go and attack NDC polling stations. This guy, the owner of Rich Condos, Ewo Kumasi, or no, NSC, they are using him. He has threatened a lot of people that he will make sure some people are killed today. Rich Condos owner only wa ubenguno close to any collation center. Stop him. He is not supposed to go close to any collation center in Ghana, especially in Kumasi. He is the one Lord Commey AD so said he will be giving the military the tip-offs where to go and shoot and destroy lives. Akwawe, the owner of Rich Condos, he needs to be stopped. The Rich Condos guy, he needs to be stopped. Team, get me his phone number right now. Let me put his phone number outside. Akwawe na Rich Condos, the condos, if anything happens, his condos has to go down and they are not paid. And the anything happens to any of the police stations, I'll give you the exact police stations, any collation center. He is tipping off the military to come and distract. He is telling women and telling people, say he has everything under control. They have the guns, and he is the one who is going to be giving the tip off to Lord Commey and then Conform to come in and distract the NDC. He's bragging that they have nullified the NDC. They will beat them up. Rich Condos, his condos, basically at this point, they are not free. Anything can happen to his condos. When a friend of Rich Condos, or no any dia Kumase, or no Maman accreditation, he is the one giving the military, MPP military, to be tip off where to go, who to attack. This guy, a friend of Rich Condos, only nobody should spare this guy. This is his phone number. Mema Obia Eman space or any collation center or back collation center Mumprano onye correct or a danger to our democracy. Nidin Mr. Sapon, your friend is Sapon, Rich Condos, Richard Kojo Edu. The full name Richard Kojo Edu. Okay, then Naji is in Wenchi right now. I'll take care of that. Rich Condos, your friend is Sapon. Now the phone number no team, clarify the number for me. Clarify the message for me. Okay. So right now, what I can tell you, say, Rich Condos guy, no, wherever he is, he needs to be stopped. I'll put his phone number on the screen. The condos a hotspot right now. Every Rich Condos bia, the condo bia Kumasi bia no a hotspot. Rich Condos, the condos bia ne dine Kumasi a hotspot. Those are some of the places they are hiding a printed ballot. Akwawi and a Rich Condos here or enemy to the state. He is out there giving tip-offs to the military. I'll be right back and clarify something for you. All right, thank you very much for staying. Rich Condos, no, the phone number and his name is Nidino Sapon. Rich Condos, no. Let me get you his phone number. You can call him right now and tell him say he's under strict watch. Sa ballot papers now or stuff Rich Condos, no. He needs to stop. He needs to release them right now. Nobody should allow this guy to any collation center. Lord Commey is using him. Or no any lady the military on an ebema tip off where to go and attack NDC for Rich Condos. The number NA 02435 024-353 4863 024-353-4863. Rich Condos no onye on the Lord Commey using. He has guns on him. He has a ballot, stamped ballot. A Rich Condos. Into you people should keep your eye on the ground. Akwawi, he is the one holding a printed ballot for a NPP for Ashanti region. He's going around telling people they will nullify the NPP, the NDC, or a 201 Kamu or 2 Eshano home. Any coalition center be or baby, stop him. He's not supposed to enter any coalition center. Any polling station be or baby, he needs to be stopped. The phone number is 024-353-4863. 024-353-4863. Your friend Sapon. It's very, very important. Now, I need to share something with you right now. Mekachao Akwawi, he is the one Gofredami Eyusu of Bono region. The Dindi Nanaji. The full name Richard Kojo Edu. Richard Kojo Edu. He is the guy who will be leading thugs at the Collation Center. Godfrey Sapon, Godfrey Dami, the Attorney General, no Wamano accreditation. He has a gun on him. He has guns in his vehicle. Or Wenchi constituency or Buzia town is here as I speak to you. Oko Buzia town, Wenchi constituency, Hono or Chesika. Wow, or Chesika, you can attack him. Or Yenipa or say or Mumbraso. Obu Ghana Mraso, Nidin Ede Ayadien, Kojo Edu, Omofreno, Naji. He's at Wenchi constituency, Buzia hometown. Sesiano, the Oyan say, or Wunkrasi and Ochesika, you need to stop him. You need to stop this guy. Sikagukamu and Oche, Ewo Oba Ayadien, Oba Wenchi constituency. Gofredame Monamaniska, we, your friend Naji, the full name no Richard Kojo Edu. The phone number no media to jadada. So this guy, you need to stop him. Our Bono region right now, he needs to be stopped. The police, we are telling you, he's going around the villages and sharing money. We need to stop him. He does not have to come too close to any. He does not have to come close to any polling station in the Bono region. Now, I have to show you something. Now, Accra. There's a hotspot, Pokwase hotspot. I'll be right back to give you the news. Pokwase, more Pokwase no hotspot BBC. Say Oko Accra, Pokwase as we speak now. Hotel na your friend no N Hotel at Festus, N Hotel, Royal N Hotel. Yako Achi NDC Youth Wing. They have arrested some guys in the hotel. Almost printed ballot papers. Nina is to Mahamadu Bawumia, any Amasaman, any trouble constituency. They have BVD machines and a printer, laptop, and a lot of money. Sa hotel, no, if you are close to that hotel, you need to move there right now. MPP for no, They are in there. They have been arrested by the NDC wing. Ewo Pukwase. Hotel no your friend Royal N Hotel at Festus. Royal N Hotel. Pukwase. It is very important. Mamenfa video ni chemo. Right now, ballot stuffing Ewo Pukwase is happening right now. This is the video. Into more Pukwase Royal N Hotel no NPP4A uses our hotel no to stuff ballot and to print ballot. BVD machines near there has been discovered. So Royal N Hotel, Pukwase, the NDC wing youth group, the youth wing, they were able to arrest Nkophobia Omushe Hotel where more BVD machines, EC machines are Sebio almost printed papers, so many of them, and almost printed papers for them, and I'm the chair on Pukwase Royal N Hotel Festus and Ekoso. Now let me show you something. Oko Bolga, something has happened in Bolga. Somebody has been arrested with 120 printed ballot papers for Mahamadu Bawumia or Bolga right now. The person has been arrested. Oma arresting Ipano. Now also Okuta 120. I will get you the videos. And also 120. Arresting Ipano. Oma printed ballots. Nina printed for Mahamadu Bawumia or Bolga. And that is what is happening right now, Bolga. These papers don't have any serial number. Oma printer, omode kwaku ra adakanim. Oma printer, omluku ra adakanim. So very important to say. Very important to say. Was say Bolga printed. Now, what I want to say is Kwadaso. We want to know Kwadaso NDC agents. Do they have agents or Kwadaso? What we are hearing is NDC agents no more Kwadaso no money. We need to get to the bottom of this. Right now we are going to pick phone calls from Kwadaso in the next 2-3 minutes. Yepe say more Kwadaso a constituency. NDC for hono. You want them to verify for us. Say Oba Kwadaso constituency. NDC agents. No, we want to know from the polling station because you who say we are getting a lot of message from Kwadaso say NDC ni agents ho. NDC agents no more Kwadaso no abandon omojuma free polling station ho. We need to know the reason why NDC agents are Kwadaso no omuni ho. Thank you very much for staying. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, the driver Joseph Addo. He has released these people into the constituency to go and cause a lot of mayhem in the name of national security. Unhusa Nkofowi ewo around any polling station Joseph Addo and they release your Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo. The driver no or contest war Daddy Kotopono. These gentlemen have been released in the name of national security. They are thugs. Muhu Omo Hobia. Stop them. They are coming there to cause mayhem. This election, national security, any authority be our election way so obia eba Daddy Kotopon etuation ho also national security oboa or kromfo. You need to stop him or beat him. On any pa elections way national security any connection be to the elections. Soldier 4 are not supposed to be part of it. Only the Ghana police. This gentleman and this gentleman, these guys, they have been released by Joseph Addo from the Jubilee House. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo, the driver, Daddy Kotopon for look out for these men. National security operatives, thugs. These men are thugs. We will be showing their pictures every single minute. You remember what I said? Daddy Kotopon, Joseph Addo, or losing elections, the boys seba ebiti moto so they are coming in there we are ballot papers free national security free national security. Daddy Kotopon, you should be on alert. Joseph Addo knows he's losing the elections. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo amano thugs or from so national security national security. Treat them as criminals. They are coming there to snatch boxes. They are coming there to intimidate. These are the men. They have released them. Daddy Kotopon for NDC is winning. Mama Wayne Slepe. Stay on the ballot. Stay and protect your ballot. Sanko for we bar free national security they are coming to intimidate but for you to protect yourself no mama chance close to any polling station. This gentleman will be coming to Daddy Kotopon constituency. Baby Ubehunibia stopping no. They have been sent by Joseph Addo, Akufo Addo driver no. Daddy Kotopon constituency. These men will be coming there. So be on alert. All right, we are back. We are entering the Swami constituency. EC official way is helping the NPP party or committee illegality be was Swami. NDC for more Swami constituency. This EC official, he is dangerous. He is aiding the NPP to rake at the Swami constituency. You people should go in there and caution him. He needs to stop what he is doing. Sir, EC official way or Swami constituency or cause a lot of illegalities. Ono na obo mo emomo staff no ewo ESA constituency wo mo NDC for more constituency no. Go there and make sure you monitor this guy, you caution him. Ono ena oye juma ama NPP for or a lot of illegalities so honomo. You people should not allow this guy to continue doing what he's doing. Into more amowo kwada Swami. Made the phone number beba, made the din beba very soon. Our Swami constituency or ejuma ama NPP. What he's doing is or AD NPP for no Emma omode fake ballot polling station ho. This is an EC official or MPP surrogate. Ejuma no protect you be I will not sit here and put anybody's life in danger. The may say wa onya de pabia na yede Net2 TV so ma obia ba bibia wo se ne be ya bibia bekoso sa EC official way especially jumadia odino Swami no we need to make sure say Swami for NDC for am organize NDC for Swami monko abonten kwato aba. But this guy, you should keep an eye on him. The oil illegality, he's helping people, aiding people to stuff ballot boxes. We any nipa I was a home or EC official or your EC official was Swami. As I speak to you, or your EC official was Swami. Into NDC for the youth wing, any the chairman Swami, NDC chairman or any parliamentary candidate to move in. This particular guy, put your eye or keep your eyes on him. Very, very important. Okay, so you can be bichira for Royal N hotel ewo pokuase a omoche young men bia na omyeden omode ballot eko mokai video a yeka mo. These are the pictures coming in the Esiwo hotel, or these were the men ya chi omsisi a ewo pokuase no mo she hotel a omo print ballot papers omo BVD machines isi nkwa na wose omo sa machine no. Inti these are the young men ya chi omsisi and the obia ehu omonim. I'm going to show you the rest of the pictures. Sa hotel na yekwache embrante no omunie sa embrante we na ehye dem omo asset up omo machines omo print polling ballot papers ewo pokuase. They have been arrested. The police have come in. Tip off ewo Royal N hotel eho ena sebio ade we see. And when they went in there, these guys had printers almost setting it up almost printed ballot papers for the NPP. Now some of the videos in here. So these are the men. Time a mobile hotel hall, omukuta EC machines, omukoji hotel rooms, and almost started say almost printing ballot papers and moving it around the constituency. Where AC Opokuase, so you can see almost EC Amasaman, almost ejuma na omo normal printing and na omo yeden almost send the papers into the constituencies and na NPP for no. As we speak now, the Ghana Police Service, they have arrested these guys. And operational as we speak now, operational and some of the materials are omutumi eji free nkofo winsem. They have printed so many ballot papers ballot papers no print here no ni nyina ye NPP for tam print no de aboso. So the police have gone in, they have arrested these people.
You're waiting for waiting and some Kevin Taylor headed to Jawa Bro and some baby so the Koso about to a to them in some APP and one hour day and something about to a hotel. I'm renting be a question with BVD machine printer. I want to print a ballot paper say I put for a quachum and our day and some atuja and some to do an around a KT Eddie Atuja. Mikau says so we can subscribe to channel area but more than say best subscribers and had the latest hot news and Amede Bremo. Also bet me otchere wadwin afa and some way now I comment boxing mo mwete minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.